Hey there, Excel enthusiasts! Welcome back to IT Pro Express, your hub for mastering productivity tools. In today's video, we're counting down the top 20 most important Excel formulas you need to know. These formulas are game changers, whether you're managing data, creating reports, or automating tasks. Top 20 important Excel functions/formulas that are widely used in various industries for data analysis, reporting, and automation.
Sum,
Average,
if,
VLOOKUP, HLOOKUP, index,
match,
concatenate/concat,
len, trim,
left,
right,
MID,
now, today, round, count, COUNTA,
COUNTIF, proper/upper/lower, sum, formula, equals sum, C1, C10, purpose, adds up all the numbers in a selected range of cells, average, formula, equals average, C1, C10, purpose, calculates the average, arithmetic mean, of a group of numbers.
if,
Example, equals if C1, 10, yes, no. Purpose, performs a logical test and returns one value for true and another for false. VLOOKUP, formula, equals VLOOKUP, lookup_value, table_array, call_index_number, range_lookup. Example, equals VLOOKUP, F6, B5, D35, 2, 0. Purpose, searches for a value in the first column of a range and returns a value in the same row from another column. HLOOKUP, formula, equals HLOOKUP, lookup_value, table_array, row_index_number, range_lookup. Example, equals HLOOKUP, J11, J5, T7, 2, 0. Purpose, searches for a value in the first row of a range and returns a value in the same column from a different row. Index, formula, equals index, array, row_number, column_number. Example, equals index, X5, Y10, 4, 2. Purpose, returns the value of a cell within a specified range based on row and column numbers.
match,
Formula, equals match, lookup_value, lookup_array, match_type. Example, equals match, mango, X6, X10, 0. Purpose, returns the relative position of a value in a range. Concatenate/concat. Formula, equals concat, C4, B4, or equals text join, true, C4, B4. Purpose, combines the contents of multiple cells into one cell.
len,
Formula, equals len, C1. Purpose, returns the number of characters in a text string.
trim,
Formula, equals trim, C1. Purpose, removes all extra spaces from text except for single spaces between words. Left, formula, equals left, C1, 5. Purpose, extracts the first n characters from a text string.
right,
Formula, equals right, C1, 5. Purpose, extracts the last n characters from a text string. MID, formula, equals MID, C1, 2, 4. Purpose, extracts a substring from the middle of a text string.
now,
Formula, equals now. Purpose, returns the current date and time.
today,
Formula, equals today. Purpose, returns the current date without the time.
round,
Formula, equals round, C1, 2. Purpose, rounds a number to a specified number of digits.
count,
Formula, equals count, C1, C10. Purpose, counts the number of numeric entries in a range.
COUNTA,
Formula, equals COUNTA, C1, C10. Purpose, counts the number of non-empty cells in a range. COUNTIF, formula, equals COUNTIF, C1, C10, 10. Purpose, counts the number of cells that meet a specified condition. Proper/upper/lower. Formula, equals proper, C1. Formula, equals upper, C1. Formula, equals lower, C1. Purpose, capitalizes the first letter of each word in a text string. If you're looking to improve your skills in Excel, Microsoft Word, and PowerPoint, then you're in the right place. Follow IT Pro Express for tips, tutorials, and updates that will boost your productivity and expertise. Like our page to get valuable content delivered to your feed. Follow us to never miss an update on new lessons and tutorials. Share with your friends and colleagues so they can benefit too. Your support helps us continue providing quality content. Thank you for being part of our community.